Face it, we all have some messes in some part of our lives. Yeah, some people may have more mess in their life, some people may have less mess in their life, but we all have some mess in our lives. Now, what exactly is a mess? A mess may be, any incongruence that you have in your life, or it could be a negative or uncomfortable situation in your life, or it could be something that you are tolerating for a long, long time and it is frustrating you. Now, messes can really mess up our life and it can create problems for us. Number one, it drains away your energy and your vitality. Number two, it teaches you a lesson that you cannot handle tasks, or let me put it like this, tough tasks. And number three, it makes you apologize in front of others. For example, if somebody comes to your house unannounced and you open the door and they enter your house, what do? You start putting things in order and then tell this person, I'm sorry, my house is in a mess. That is very embarrassing for you, isn't it? Now, messes could be physical, they could be personal, they could be business, they could be financial, they could be relationship. Physical messes are something you can see easily and they are easiest to conquer. For example, the mess in your cupboard or the mess in your table drawer or maybe your car or maybe your taxes, your GST, these are all physical messes. Then we have relationship messes which are, more damaging and they are harder to resolve. Now, here's what I want you to do. Take a sheet of paper and then on the top you can write messes I want to clean in my life. And then make a list of all the messes you want to clean. You can even prioritize them on which you are going to work first. And then make a decision and make a commitment that every month you are going to clean one mess from your life. And if you clean these messes, it will make you more energetic, it will make you happy, it will make you productive, you can achieve better results in your life. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.